Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 69 Chevy C10 four-wheel drive. You can see the Sniper starting up. .383. There's a blinker both ways. Hear the horn. Stereo turns on. Of course, everything works on it, and your fan. So, lights, there's your wipers. Brand new vintage air and heat. Runs good. Come out of Arizona, so they put the electric fans on it. Power brakes, power steering. We did the restoration. My body shop did the body. Very nice, new floor. Everything works good mechanically. Really cool truck and set up right with a fuel injection and AC. Any questions? 605-695-7391.